Hello, Print Society. This is Jay here with Elegant Edits. I appreciate all of the subscribers and the love and everything that I've gotten thus far on this journey. And I was actually invited by YouTube after the partnership, or the monetization as they call it now, to actually offer you guys membership subscriptions. So how that's going to look is we have 3 different tiers that you can come in at for all of you guys that have told me that I've helped you and all of that, which is not why I got into this thing to start. I was helping people in the groups and in the forums, and I thought I would start a YouTube channel. So it's actually grown to more than I ever thought it would be. I'm grateful. Now, if you want to become a member, all you have to do is click on or press the join button that's right next to the subscribe button, and you will have access to extra tutorials and a load of content that I'll be unrolling. I have unedited videos that I thought I would never upload. I want to share my story with you guys for my 10-year, 11-year journey with printing outside of DTF. There will be some custom sublimation walkthroughs and videos that I don't post. If you want some of that extra content and also to have me on standby to answer any questions you may have about your specific model printer, that will be the best route to go. So don't feel as though you have to do anything like that. This is just extra. If you want that extra insight into what I'm doing here, especially as we become a supplier, if you choose the highest tier, I wouldn't recommend it now because I don't have a lot of content on there right now, but I would recommend the highest tier if you just want to support me. And I'll also have exclusive discounts as we become a supplier, and different partnerships that we're working with, not just Kingdom, but we have a rasterization guy who does half toning, one-click actions within Photoshop. So there's a whole bunch of things that I have in store for you, and it will go beyond DTF. This thing will transcend DTF. I should have put this camera on a mount. My arm is sore already. But thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'll probably do a screenshot or a screen share or something, but 18% so out of all of the people that watch my content, only 18% of you guys are subscribed. So just hit the subscribe button. At the very least, if I've helped you anyway, go ahead and subscribe. If you feel that I've personally helped you, although that's not the reason I started this thing, it kind of morphed into this. But if you would like to support me in any way, just click the join button and we'll meet you at the top. Thanks again, and as always, stay elegant.